Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how to receive international payment in JazzCash app. So let's get started. To receive international payments through the JazzCash app, begin by opening the app on your mobile device and ensuring it's updated to the latest version for a smooth experience. Once you're on the home screen, you'll be greeted with a clean and user-friendly interface designed to make transactions effortless. Look for the Add Money option, which is usually located either just below or next to your current balance, and tap on it to continue. A new screen will appear displaying multiple options for adding money to your account. Here, select the Request Money option. At this point, the app will ask whether you want to make a local request or an international one. Tap on International Payment Request to begin the process of receiving money from someone abroad. Next, you'll see a list of previously added contacts or recent payers. To add someone new, tap the plus icon labeled Add New Payer. You'll then be asked to enter some basic information about the person who will be sending you the money. This includes their full name, email address, and country of residence. Once you've entered all the required details, click on Continue. Now, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to request. Type in the exact amount you want to receive internationally, then hit Continue again. The app will now generate a payment invoice summary for your request. Review the details to ensure everything is correct, and then simply tap on Send Request. Your request will be sent instantly to the payer. As soon as they receive and accept the request from their end, the funds will be securely and automatically transferred into your JazzCash mobile account. It's a fast, easy, and secure way to receive money from friends, family, or clients living abroad right from the comfort of your phone. And that's it, you are done.